Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name's Sophie, aka the Soofster, and today's video is... Can you stop that please? Today's video is a video about... Right, so today's makeup is inspired on what I call my Instagram friend. So she's a girl I met on Instagram by just liking pictures and liking makeup that I like, and she's one of the people I really like her makeup of. Her name is Molly Hopkins, and this is her picture and her creation of that makeup, and she inspired it on a other makeup artist, and she's called Frederica Ritchie. So that is the makeup I'm gonna recreate today, so definitely check their pages out because I don't know what mine's gonna look like, so it might not be as good, but I really look forward to this because it's a bit pop-up. Do you know that meme about the cats like at 2 AM, fast and fast, like I'll post it here? That's literally what my cats are doing right now. Yeah, I'm very excited. Ew, what the fuck is that? Ugh. I have all my colourful palettes right here, and yeah, we're gonna start. So actually, shame on me. So I've seen that the neon like makeups are quite like trendy lately, and I've got from my cousin this palette, which is like neon colors, and it's from Makeup Revolution. It's called Redemption Palette Acid Bright, so they're really like neon colors. I got it for my birthday, and that was August 22. So I haven't used it. It's so bad, but I like kind of not did makeup as much back then. So yeah, I would like to try some colors of this one, or maybe another look, but neon is really trendy right now, so I hope this is some good pigmentation because I will need it. Besides that, let's get started. The palettes I'm going to use are my Morphe 35B, my Morphe 39A, and the Revolution palette, Redemption palette Acid Bright that I don't know if I'm going to use them yet, but these are the palettes I'm all going to use for my eyeshadows. So I'm scared. Let's start. It's honestly so hot here, like I can't. So to start off, I always start with my brows. So this is what I use for my brows, if you can see it. And I always use this one over here. The other one's a powder, so I don't really know. I don't really use that. So we're gonna start off with. Excuse me. People, I'm trying to make a video. You know? Oh my god, don't be a drama queen. Please, stop it. Stop. Okay, the eyes are done now. We're gonna go over to the face. Same as with the eyes, I'll show you what I do. we are done. I don't, because I used eyeliner, every time I move my face I feel like crack up. So I have to retouch it for the pictures. But we're done. I don't know what you guys think, but I'm happy with it. So leave a comment, let me know what you think of this makeup. Definitely check out the other two where I inspired it from. And yeah, definitely don't forget to check out my pictures. I'm obviously going to make pictures of this and I'm going to post it on my Instagram. It's called the Soofster with an underscore. Definitely check that out, leave a follow if you like my feet. And yeah, I always love to do pop art. I love to create the like lines, and it just gives such a cool look, and I don't know, colors, and it's a colorful pop art look. Like, I love it. So yeah, this was the video. If you liked it, definitely don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more. I'm really into making videos again, so you're definitely going to see more. Yeah, thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.